Day one at BSDA, BSDA Black Sea Defense and Aerospace exhibition with Army recognition. Romania is the theater of this exhibition in Bucharest. Bucharest is the capital city of Romania. Let's remind that Romania is one of the NATO states and one of the European Union states. In NATO, Romania has a feature that deserves to be underlined. It's one of the very few countries that actually dedicates 2% of its gross domestic product to defense budget.
The vehicle on display, the number 440A, we have some various systems integrated onto this vehicle, which are typical requirements within NATO EU forces. So the vehicle is fitted with CBRN filtration for chemical, biological threats. We've also integrated onto the vehicle a Kongsberg remote weapon station with 12.7mm M2 Browning that has the ability to do fire on the move, fire to a moving target with full stabilization. Very widely sold system throughout Europe. We have a number of different communication systems options. Typically we are driven by the customer's specification on their communications, so we can integrate different C4I systems. The vehicle also can have smoke grenade launchers integrated onto the vehicle to give you protection, smoke screening capability to move out of a hostile environment. In addition, should there be a requirement, we can look at doing add-on armor systems, integration of RPG net systems in the event that there is an RPG threat, as we've seen in a number of areas of deployment. But ultimately, the most important feature of the vehicle is that it's combat proven. Nimmer now has, out of its range of vehicles, more than 2,000 vehicles in service, and these platforms have been combat proven in very harsh environments. So we know as a company that not only have we designed to the highest international independent standards, such as the NATO STANAG specifications, MIL standards and DEF stands, but these vehicles have proven themselves in operational environment, and that's what they're meant to do.
This is an armored vehicle for troop transportation. It can be suitable for multitasking. For example, it can be changed and adapt to other type of vehicles like ambulance, or it can be equipped with a weapon. It's a Ford F550 chassis and with the same engine. Our market expectation is to sell it for the Romanian Army. For the Romanian Army. This is our first car. So we hope to have a big impression, and we hope to sell it also abroad. It's built entirely in Romania, in Bucharest. We are the manufacturer of the outside of the vehicle, except the chassis and the engine. All the components are made by us.
First of all, this is a prototype of a patrol car. The manufacturer is the Army, and the main purpose is to go in the terrain and patrol it, and to go in intervention, I don't know, to be there and close the action. It's not a vehicle for special forces, it is for the land forces. The gearbox and the engine are from Dacia Logan. We took the parts from there and put it in, and we construct the whole structure to that kind of engine and gearbox. This prototype is built in Târgoviște.
Romania has bought 227 Piranha 5. They will be delivered in 6 different versions. We have classical and infantry fighting vehicle with a 30mm cannon, a command post, a CBRM, an ambulance, a recovery, and a 120mm mortar, fully autonomous. The vehicle will be completely manufactured in Romania with a transfer of technology from MOAG. The 36 first vehicle will be delivered within 2 months. By the end of this year, at least, the first 36 vehicles will have been delivered. And after that, the next years will see the delivery of 30 to 40 vehicles per year. This vehicle is the second one after Denmark has ordered this version, and of course MOAG hopes to have more marketing opportunities in Europe.
We are ProOptica. It's a Romanian 100% company. It's a private company, and here we have a system which is called Remote Control Weapon Station. It is a system which is working with a weapon caliber 7.62 and 12.7. It is stabilized in 2 axes, meaning that you can do firing from the move, and it is having a sensor block with a thermal camera for night view, a day camera, and a laser rangefinder. It is operated from inside by a joystick and a console, showing the images and having a fire control system inside. As I said, it's stabilized, and it's also having an auto tracking function, following the target and the firing also. The system is in use in Romania, but most outside Romania. So we have installed something similar to this system in Romania for the Navy, on frigates, and outside on vehicles, on 4x4 vehicles and 6x6 and 8x8. It's in operation in several countries like Tunisia, Egypt, and as I said, Romania. Of course, each of the customer is having, we're having different requirements, so it's a bit customized for each of the customer. So in big lines, this is about our Anubis system.